Hello guys, another video here. I'm gonna show you how to remove the battery on this Mazda remote. Some of the Mazda of 2006 through 2016, 17, they have the same remote. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this upper piece of the remote. So I'm gonna use a Phillips. So you can use anything, a flat if you want. But it has to be smaller than this because this is the gap, and right here you see where is my screwdriver is. Right here, right in this gap, there's a little clip that we're gonna push it in and then pull this upper piece out. So we're just gonna push it in. There you go. So the upper piece comes out. So this is the piece that I was talking about right here. This is the little clip. We're just gonna push it down and then this comes out. So we're gonna put this aside, and then this is the next part. So right here, if you remove this, it's still brand new. To remove this back piece, it'll be a little bit harder because the clips right here, I don't know if you can see it, the clips right here, it's kind of hard to push it in. So what I did, I used my flat screwdriver. I just twist it a little bit. You see how this opens? I don't know if you can see that. Opens a little bit, and then gently I just push this little plastic back, and then see how like this. Yeah, it's kind of hard, I don't know. See. So it might take you a little bit time, but be patient. It'll come out. So see, this is the back piece that I was talking about. We just right now it's out, and then let's remove the back piece. All right, so just be careful when you remove the back piece. Don't flip it over like this and remove it, because the little button right here is good. They're gonna fall off if you do that. So we're gonna put it right here like this. Oops. Yeah, it came off. So let's make sure if they are in place. See, this came off. See, that's in place. So let's make sure this how it goes. If in case you dropped it and the little plastic on the button came off, this is how it goes. So let's put this aside gently. So, and then this is the battery. So see, this is the little holes or the little clips goes right here. Like I say, it'll be a little bit harder at first, but just don't break it. Gently you can remove it. So with the same, remove the battery. So the battery number is the CR1620. CR1620. So after replacing with a new one, I'm just gonna stick it in again. Push it in, and then the same thing. You have to be careful. Make sure this is in place. Yep. And then just gonna push it right below first, and then push it in from the top. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And now we're gonna stick this in again. Just gonna push it in. Yeah, it went in perfectly. So yeah, the battery is in, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Take care.